Gani Adams, accusing Sunday Igboho, even causing him Sunday Igboho, based on the security issue that Sunday Igboho is a betrayer. How can Sunday Igboho said he can face the whole band? This issue of terrorists in Nigeria, all sorts of things. When some Nigerians started attacking Gani Adams and his guys, that Gani Adams is not a trust Nigerian. Is not supposed to be in that position. That Sunday Igboho should be there. How can a OPC member, ordinary OPC member, come out and start causing Sunday Igboho, where someone render his own service, render his own life, ready to sacrifice his own life to secure the whole country? I want to ask our fathers at Guru Maharaji, in this situation, if you happen to be the judge, already you are a judge, you are the father of creation, what do you have to say about this issue of Sunday Igboho and Gani Adams?
Nothing to say much other than to remind everybody what has happened in the past. You say a snake is a snake, doesn't matter. I was part of the Nadeko group, even though I didn't call myself Nadeko, but I'm a freedom fighter, the leading freedom fighter in the universe, to make sure that everybody gets his own rights respected and given. So it's not easy to get to the point that Sunday Igboho is. Yes, because there's a vacuum there and he has filled it. Anybody cursing him and saying all sorts of things, he has forgotten that there is what we call Mandarika, return to sender.